Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zinofal bin Muhammad Faizal from S3G1.
My name is Irfan Rafiqi bin Muhammad Sabri from G2, S3
My
G2.
name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Zaki from S3G2.
Okay, the tool we choose is Nikto and Stumbler. Firstly, what is Nikto? Nikto is an open source software written in Perl language that is used to scan a web server. It can also check for outdated version detail of 1200 server and can detect problem with specification version detail of over 200 server. It can also fingerprint user server using favicon.ico file present in the server. It is not designed to be particularly a still tool rather than it is designed to be fast and time efficient to achieve the task in short time. Nikto and advantages and disadvantages. For an advantages, firstly, fast and versatile tool. Second, written in Perl, it can be run in any host operating system. And then open source, it can be easily extended and customized. Lastly, diverse output format, easy to integrate with other penetration testing tool. Disadvantages for Nikto is run at command line without any graphical user interface. Move to what is NetStumbler. NetStumbler is best known window tool for finding open wireless access point, which is while driving. They also distribute WinCE version for PDA and such as named MiniStumbler. The tool is currently free but window only and no source code in provided. It uses a more active approach for finding WAP than passive sniffers such as Kismet or Kismet. NetStumbler and advantages and disadvantages. And advantages for NetStumbler is the NetStumbler tool can integrate wireless device and report information about their configuration and capability. Secondly, NetStumbler also document media access control, which is MAC, and identify wireless communication channel and server set identification SSID in use. Disadvantages for NetStumbler is does not come with software to display WAP in a map similar representation, and other software do have these features. Just for Nikto and NetStumbler. For Nikto, firstly, full support for SSL, and then find subdomain, support full HTTP proxy, outdated component report, then save result in multiple format. After that, able to perform dictionary attack. Lastly, give detail of installed software. For NetStumbler features, while driving, verifying network configuration, finding location with poor coverage in one WLAN, detecting causes of wireless interference, detecting unauthorized, which is rogue access point. Lastly, aiming directional antenna for long-haul WLAN links. Move to the demo. I pass to Irfan Rafiqin.
Hello.
Okay.
I will share screen. Nampak?
Nampak-nampak.
Okay. How to use Nikto tool? First, you need to install Nikto tool. First, download Active Perl and get your account. Step 1, after successfully log in with the Active Step platform, You need to choose a language with each Perl. Then select the Perl version that you need. We choose 5.32.1. Continue with choosing with the operating system and click the button Create Runtime to get the command that we need to use in the command prompt. It will install along with the stage tool and more. Next is download Git Bash. Go to command type and you need to type cd desktop, cd nicto, cd program, and perl.nictol.pl. And the nictol tools ready to use. Next is I will demo um, to use nictol tools. Step 1 is open command prompt. Type cd desktop, cd nicto, cd program, perl.nicto.pl. And command prompt akan keluar macam ni. Sorry. Lag ke? Hello, lag ke?
Tak.
Okay. Advantage of nictol is fast and versatile tool. Written in Perl, it can be run in any host operating system. And open source, it can be easily extended and customized. Next is how to use NetStumble.
Okay. Aku share.
Okay.
Nampak?
Nampak.
Okay, this is the introduction of NetStumbler. NetStumbler is the best known Windows tool for finding open wireless access point or driving. They also distribute a WinCE version for PDAs and such name WinStumbler. The tool is currently free but Windows only and no source code is provided. It uses a more active approach to finding WAPs than passive snipers such as Kismet or Kismet. So this is the installation of the NetStumbler. First, open your favorite web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other. So I install using Google Chrome. Next, download the NetStumbler installation file from the trusted link. So I use this link to install this app. After the downloading NetStumbler completed, click the .exe file twice to run in the installation process. Then follow the Windows installation instruction that appear until finish. And then now the NetStumbler icon will appear on your desktop. So it's the Network Stumbler apps. And then click on the icon to run the application into your Windows 10 PC because I use Windows 10 in my laptop. So next demo. Firstly, when you launch NetStumbler, you are going to set some options. Click view and select option. You will see the option dialog shown in figure 1. This is the figure 1. There are a couple important options here that you must select to get the best performance of NetStumbler. You can set the scan speed to fast because you will get more frequent and more accurate updates of wireless networks with the setting. Also, definitely check the reconfigure card automatically option. If doesn't check this, NetTumbler will find whatever wireless network your card is currently associated with, but it won't find any other networks. One of NetTumbler's coolest features is the ability to give you MIDI feedback for signal strength. This is great for finding the best possible signal between 2 points, such as when you are trying to align antennas on a long distance shot, hack hashtag 98. When the signal strength rises, the pitch of the tone that NetTumbler plays. This makes turning an antenna similar to pointing a satellite dish. Just move to the antenna around until you point the highest pitch tone. Use a MIDI channel and patch sounds under the MIDI tab of the option screen, as shown in figure 2. You will need a MIDI capable sound card to use the option. So this is the figure 2. Next, with your options properly set, you are ready to discover wireless networks. Assuming your wireless card is installed, NetTumbler will start scanning immediately. If the media option is turned on, you will get a lot of audio feedback, particularly if you have multiple networks in your area. Figure 3 shows a typical NetTumbler session. So this is the figure 3. Next, to use NetTumbler for fine-tuning a wireless link, start up NetTumbler and make sure that it has found the network on the other of the point-to-point link. Once it has done so, you will start hearing the MIDI tones as it reports side signal strength. A higher tones indicates better side signal strength. Turn up your speaker volume and then concentrate on pointing the antenna. You will know its pointer as accurately as possible with NetTumbler is generating the highest MIDI tone. As shown in figure 4, this is a handy visual tool. You can use this to tell you when a directional antenna is placed properly, and you can also use it in a corporate environment to determine the best placement location for an access point. NetTumbler will also interface with a GPS system connected to your PC. You can use your GPS system type from a list in the view image /u2192.jpg border equal zip 0 more than options dialog. Once you have told NetTumbler about your GPS unit, the main screen not only shows details of the wireless network, but it also shows the latitude and longitude of the wireless network. So this is the figure 4. Advantages of NetTumbler. The NetTumbler 2 can interrogate wireless device and report information about their configuration and capabilities. And then NetTumbler also documents media access control and identifies wireless communication channels and service set identification SSID in use. So I think that's all from me.
Mm, that's all from us. Thank you.